Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am SweetPetiteLatrice if you are new here. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? What's up? It's a new day. I'm excited. You know, your girl looking good right now. So let's just jump straight into what's going on. Let's just jump straight into it. Mama took a break, wife took a break, and she spent some cash on herself, okay? I'm going to massage it. Like, look at that. We're going to just go ahead and jump straight to this video because I'm excited.
Okay, beauties, we're going to start with this Fedora hat since I was already wearing it. This is the High Street Fedora hat in the color beige. It's a one size fit all. Okay, now I'm coming to y'all with these olive green pants. Very, very cute. This is in a size large. It ran a little smaller than what I expected, but they still fit well. Have a cute little bow in the front. Two cute ankle ties at the bottom. So this was my favorite purchase out of the entire haul. These leather loose fitting sage jogger pants. So cute. Perfect for the fall. I would not wear these in the summer. They tie around the ankle as well. Very cute. I love that saggy look. So it comes with a tie. You can use it. You can lose it. If you take it off, here it is right here. Love that little ruffled area at the top. Very cute. All right, next I'm bringing y'all a little shoe cam. These are the Solemate Pumps. They're in the color nude. Of course, they're see-through, but the base of the heel is nude with a little beaded cute flower, as you see. Perfect for any season. The heel on these are 4.5 inches tall. So really cute. I love them. I love them. This is my first pair of clear heels that I have, so I will enjoy these, I know. All right, next coming with this cute white halter top. It is a double shirt. The inside is spaghetti strap that ties around the neck. Super cute. Full coverage in the back. Love, love, love that. And around the wrist, you have one button that you can choose to button up or leave it open, which I chose to leave it open. So really cute. And last but not least, I'm bringing y'all this cute denim jumpsuit that has this cute zipper in the front and two pockets on the side. Okay, beauties, I would love to know which piece was your favorite piece. Drop your answers down below in the comments. And as always, it was a pleasure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm out.